In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access system section available here. Now click on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, select this section called Text Correction and use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Then go back to check out your keyboard. As you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Now thanks to it, when you click on gear icon, you can access the same section of your settings much faster. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!